Hey there, road warriors. Today, we're discussing a topic that should be on every truck driver's checklist, the truck first aid kit. Imagine you're out on the road miles from the nearest town and something unexpected happens. Maybe you cut your hand while fixing something under the hood, or a headache starts pounding. That's when a well-stocked first aid kit becomes your best buddy. It's not just about meeting regulations. It's about being prepared for life's little surprises. So, what's inside a good truck first aid kit? You might think a few Band-Aids and some antiseptic cream are enough, but let's break it down. You want to have bandages of different sizes, gauze pads, adhesive tape, and scissors. You never know when you'll need to patch yourself up. Don't forget pain relievers like aspirin or ibuprofen. They can be a lifesaver when you're trying to keep focused on the road. And what about those pesky cuts and scrapes? Antiseptic wipes and ointments are your go-to items. Keeping things clean is key to preventing infections. A thermometer's also handy because knowing if you have a fever can help you decide if you should keep going or take a break. Now, let's talk about the more serious stuff. If you don't already have one, a CPR mask could be crucial in an emergency. While none of us hope to be in that situation, being prepared can make all the difference. Of course, regulations do play a part here. The FMCSA has some requirements for what's needed in a commercial truck first aid kit. It can be a bit overwhelming if you try to tackle it all on your own, but that's where Moving Authority comes in. We've got the expertise to make sure you're compliant and ready for anything the road throws at you. And hey, it's not just about being prepared for emergencies. You can throw in some personal items too. Sunscreen, bug spray, maybe even a travel-sized toothbrush and toothpaste. Staying comfortable and fresh can make those long hauls more bearable. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Check your kit regularly. Things expire, and you don't want to find out your supplies are out of date when you need them most. Plus, restocking after using something is crucial. It's like making sure your rig is always fueled and ready to go. There you have it. A truck first aid kit isn't just a box of random supplies. It's your peace of mind on wheels. So, do yourself a favor and give your kit a once-over. If you need any help making sure everything's in order, head over to movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. We've got your back, and we're here to help you keep those wheels turning safely. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trucking. Stay safe out there.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.